Welcome back, guys, to Little Lane Chickens. This is the next morning after we got these beautiful quails. As you can see, they are looks like they have settled in very well over the night. They're exploring their new pen. They are very friendly as well, and they're coming up to me, so which is good. It's good to see. Hopefully they get used to me. And we've got a few eggs, I believe, right in the corner over there, and maybe there's one more right at the back over there, which we'll take out later on today. First of all, we need to just clean the water, give them some fresh water, and give them some food, and then we'll carry on with our day. So as you can see, I've got some gourmet grit here. This is for the quails, and just need to give them, allow them access to having it at all times. So just gonna put this in there along with the water and the food, and just keep it there. I think they did recommend to keep it out all the time along with the food and water, so they have full access to having it. It is very, very important to the diet. That's advice from Newland Poultry. So if you guys do have any quails, please make sure that they have their grit available to them as well. So guys, these guys I didn't mention to you guys yesterday, but we got some lemon pecans, 3-week-old, as well as the other two hens that we have in the shed. These guys are being kept inside the house. This is our brooder that we made. So yeah, we got these guys under the light. And a quick update, guys, on these guys as well. 10-week-old, 2 female lemon pecans. We have put a one-step ladder in so they can perch upon during the night time. They're enjoying it as well.